So amazing today on 15th of March 2023. Here's Mäyrätie, good evening, Vegan 3. Here in Herttoniemi, Herttoniemi, quite close to Western Herttoniemi, Länsi-Herttoniemi, West Herttoniemi, where Helsinki sports schools around Finland. The best is 3 classes of partners. It was about 955, 1065 years old in 2020 with this rare infant. Right, I'd like to get the raw unit with me, if you can read.
Yeah.
The server is H6159. The base with this year, it has 23 and it has 3 rights. Oh, I'll show you that. Building 5 we also need to get because it's supposedly original.
Yeah.
And then the number 7 has an original series 1 from 1994, which I need to get later.
Yeah. Inspekteerit päälifteinstituutit, meidän eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissakeskus.
Door surfaces must have been renovated
Yeah.
around 1990 probably. But it's a good thing the elevator was kept original otherwise.
Yeah.
It's not for us, but for me, I mean, this is much better because it has the rear indicator. Yeah. Well, from the same year, 1955 today, we also filmed one gated to two persons.
Yeah.
That one is even better.
Yeah.
Maybe this comes
Yeah.
because of this rear indicator.
Mm.
And the third best is 1954 one
Yeah.
from here today. What is this?
That's